The two main sections of the mapping page are the map and the vehicle list. Let's first cover the map. In addition to the options of map and satellite views, the More drop-down menu provides additional display options for vehicles, landmarks, and traffic. Use the cluster option to cluster nearby vehicles and provide a cleaner view. Hovering over a cluster shows which vehicles are included in the cluster. If you have zoomed in on an area, click Resize to return to the default view with all vehicles visible on the map. Click a vehicle icon on the map to zoom in on the vehicle and view details including vehicle name, driver name, status and duration, odometer, and address. The vehicle's details box also lets you create a landmark, edit the vehicle, or start a live stream for vehicles with cameras. Creating a landmark and starting a live stream will be covered in later videos. Click the vehicle icon a second time to open the vehicle card. The top section of the vehicle card displays key information such as vehicle name, location, type and group, status and duration, dynamic indicators, and last check-in. The following action buttons may be available in the vehicle card depending on the installed device. These same buttons are available in the vehicle list page under Data Admin, Trip History, Location History, Locate Now, Zoom In, Check Engine, Live Stream, Edit, Diagnostics, Lock/Unlock, Starter Interrupt. Many of these actions will be covered in later videos. Below the action buttons, you will find additional vehicle details including an area to enter custom notes, a summary of today's activity, and additional device and camera details. Let's now review the vehicle list. Each vehicle or device in the account has its own entry on the list. Each entry includes the vehicle icon, name, status, which is indicated by a colored circle, status duration, and location, which is displayed as an address or landmark. When appropriate, dynamic indicators will appear in the vehicle entry. These are the same indicators displayed in the vehicle card. These include indicators for vehicle or device battery voltage, upcoming or overdue maintenance, diagnostic trouble codes, and recently generated alerts. Hovering over a vehicle entry will display the vehicle name on the map. Clicking on a vehicle entry will zoom in on the vehicle as well as open the vehicle card, which was previously reviewed.